And what is up, everyone? It's your boy Jason Brown, back with some more real estate knowledge tips in the series. Starting a new series, guys, on interest rates. We're going to talk about how did we get here? What are the projections for it going up or down in the future? How to be able to look at an interest rate and know what your payment's going to be. So I want to give you that formula as well. Yes, I have heard your questions, and I am going to be responding with this new series on interest rates. So hit me up, follow me, LinkedIn, Jason Brown, the Charlotte Agent on Facebook, Charlotte Agent on Instagram, Charlotte Agent on TikTok. And it's going to be a dope series, and can't wait to give you all the great information. Talk to you soon. Peace.